first of all, let's go to login. Here we have for email, but we need this user name. This one will be username. Let's tell it username. So just copy this and change it everywhere we need it. This will be text. ID will be username. This will be also username and username. I think that's it for this one. We will comment these lines. We won't be using them right now. And I think we need to change something in the layout app. We don't want them to use this. So let's comment. And that will be it. Okay, username. There is no register. And okay, let's continue. We can close this one. Now let's go to our register blade. We need to add another section. It's gonna be extra CSS. Let me just copy a couple of lines that we already have. These ones. Okay, now let's move here. Okay guys, I just copied this section tags that I have in the others layouts, I mean blades, as you can see, and just change the name, users, and create. Let's just add another section to divide this. Let me copy this one. Well, I already have it. So erase this. That's it. Well, now let's just copy some code I already had. It's pretty much just a regular form, but I added some new lines here. As you can see, we have this if that we are using to set the limits of the user. What the user can access, can do in this view. This is why we need the profile variable that we send from our controllers. And as you can see, just have the root register. That's the usual. And here we have we need our name. It's required. We also ask for our username. We need a profile that we get from these profiles that we send from the controller. It's just a select, normal select, and well, it is actually a select to profile. Here is profile. We need our password. and we also need to confirm our password. And let's just save. This path is just a user with no authorization. This script is for our plugin for Select2, which displays us a searcher. And here is how we check the password. There are, when we write the confirm password, this script just will do our check. Yeah, you will see if it's the same as the password in password confirm. And that's pretty much it. That's our register login view. And now we need our we need to create another view for our auth. It's gonna be our index.blade.php. Okay, guys, here we just created a new table just to show our users, you know, just a simple table. We're gonna show the name, the user or the username, the profile it has, and the actions then can be done to that user. As in the last blade, in the register blade, we have this if to select what the user can do and what can't. It depends on the level of access it has. Here we just show the data of the user, and if the user is not deleted, as we said before, it was a logical delete. We will show it with the edit and the delete buttons, but only the delete button, it will only be if there are more than 2 users, so we cannot delete them all. Else we will restore. We will show the restore button, and the user with no permissions will be disabled. They won't be able to access. We will not show the method, the action of any of them, just the footer, and we will be using a data table. Just with this script, we will just tell that this table is gonna be a data table, so we can use all of its features. And well, now we just need to add our edit blade